What's up, mother flippers? Brendan McIntosh here. Welcome to BXSCo. I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump straight into how to create a variable color background in any Photoshop file in 60 seconds or less. So let's start the clock. Cool. So if you've got a Photoshop file and you want to have a background that you can pick different colors on, let's say you've got brand colors that you're working with, or you just want the background color to be variable for different situations, the best way to do it is to go and add a solid color layer. And you want to make sure that this is right at the bottom, obviously if it's in the background. I'm just going to drag that there right to the bottom. Cool, and now you have a color picker. And you can double click on that and then choose any color in the spectrum. Obviously you can paste hex codes in here. So if you have brand colors that you're working with, it's easy. That's the fastest way to do it. But you could also sample colors. So when you move out there, it goes to the eyedrop tool. Let's say I want this blue from the ocean. See how nicely that works. Perfect. Or let's go with a dark color or even a lighter sort of turquoise blue. So that's how to create variable colors in any Photoshop background in 60 seconds or less. I hope this worked for you. And yeah, I've got 1 second to spare. Cool. If you like this mockup scene, it comes from the presentation mockup kit volume 2. I'll put the link in the description. It's a product on Creative Market. There are 16 scenes. I designed it to mock presentation slides up, but it works for any 16:9 aspect ratio artwork. It has real world material textures, obviously variable color background like I just showed you. And yeah, I can really, I think, help to make your artwork look amazing. Cool. Remember to just create it.